Welcome to the best picks. The best gifts for boys is probably one of the most daunting tasks for many parents and relatives, especially with the vast array of options available today. This video will help you navigate through the choices by presenting the best-selling gifts for 12-year-old boys in 2023, ensuring you find the perfect present that sparks joy and aligns with their unique interests, whether it's gaming, sports, building, or creative pursuits. Number 5. Young Chef's Cookbook. Welcome to the world of cooking. This cookbook is designed for young chefs like you, filled with 100+ delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. It's packed with a wide variety of recipes, from tasty appetizers to satisfying main courses and delectable desserts. There is something for everyone to enjoy. Each recipe includes simple, step-by-step instructions and colorful photos, making cooking fun and accessible for all skill levels. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience. This cookbook makes learning to cook fun and exciting with age-appropriate recipes and tips. With this cookbook as your guide, you'll gain confidence in the kitchen and impress your family and friends with your culinary creations. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's embark on a culinary adventure together. Happy cooking! What we like. If you have a young chef in the making, this cookbook is perfect. It's filled with delicious recipes that are easy for kids to follow. It's also a great way to teach them valuable life skills in the kitchen and bond as a family. If you are looking for a fun and educational gift that will keep them busy for hours, you should consider this cookbook. What people say. This cookbook features over 100 delicious recipes that are not only easy to follow but also fun to make. From breakfast to dinner, snacks to desserts, this cookbook has it all. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. Basic recipes with good directions and photos. The possibilities available in this book are a great beginning to open the imaginations of curious kids to tastes, textures, and the many rewards and confidence boost of good cooking. Number 4. Loose Moose Hover Soccer Ball Set. Introducing the ultimate indoor soccer experience. This set includes 2 LED hover soccer balls, perfect for hours of fun and excitement for kids of all ages. These hover soccer balls are made with soft foam bumpers, ensuring safe indoor play. They're gentle on furniture and walls, making them ideal for any home. Watch them light up the room. The bright LED lights add an extra element of fun, perfect for parties, sleepovers, or any playtime adventure. Get active and have fun. These balls encourage kicking, passing, and chasing, promoting physical activity and coordination in kids. Looking for a fun and active gift? This hover soccer ball set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. If you are looking for a fun and active indoor toy, this hover soccer ball is a great choice. The LED lights add extra excitement, and the soft foam material makes it safe for indoor play. It's perfect for kids who love soccer and want to stay active even when they're inside. If your child loves to play soccer, you should consider this. What people say. They slide well. Good value for your money. The size is perfect. And they seem to be lightweight but not too light overall. Has foam around edges so no need to worry about dings to furniture. Levitates so no worrying about scratching your floors. Works great indoors. Sizes are great for kids. Easy to use, just pop in batteries, flip it on and let it go. Number 3. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. It combines the wonder of science with the excitement of magic. Prepare to be amazed by experiments you won't find anywhere else. Each experiment is designed as a magic trick. With the included wand and gloves, it's the perfect way to entertain and educate. This kit has all the materials for 20 amazing science magic tricks. Make snow appear, create a square bubble, and even become waterproof. The fun doesn't stop there. It also includes a guide with 85+ extra experiments using common household items. From Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award, it fosters education, imagination, and creativity. A US support team ensures a great experience. What we like. If your child is curious about science and loves magic, this Science Magic Kit is a perfect gift. It combines the fun of magic tricks with the educational value of science experiments. It's a great way to spark their interest in STEM and keep them entertained for hours. If you are looking for a gift that is both fun and educational, you should consider this. What people say. This kit is packed with over 100 unique experiments that have kept her engaged and excited about science. From creating fizzy reactions to making slime and invisible ink, every activity feels like a little piece of magic. The instructions are clear, colorful, and easy to follow, making it simple to dive right into each experiment. The materials are high quality, and the experiments are safe for kids. The kit offers a variety of experiments that can be repeated or adapted, so it's not a one-time use. Number 2. Pro Spin All-in-One Ping Pong Set. Turn any table into a ping pong table in seconds. It's quick and easy to set up, so you can start playing right away. Looking for a fun gift? This set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a great way to bring people together. Enjoy indoor or outdoor games at home, at the office, or on the go. It fits most tables and is ready for fun anywhere. With upgraded sponge and rubber, these paddles offer enhanced spin and performance. The included balls are durable and provide a consistent bounce. We're committed to your satisfaction. If there are any issues, we'll replace it. Buy with confidence. This portable set makes it easy to have fun anywhere. Create lasting memories with friends and family. What we like. If you're looking for a fun and easy to set up game for the whole family, this portable ping pong set is a great option. It's perfect for playing indoors or outdoors, and the high-quality paddles and balls ensure a great game every time. It's a fantastic gift for families who love to play together. If you are looking for a fun and portable game, you should consider this. Number 1. Ciniffo Upgraded Flying Orb Ball. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing flying ball. It's easy to control and performs incredible tricks. This sphere uses aviation flight principles for various flight modes. Watch it float, glide, and climb. Learn to control its flight path and unlock endless possibilities. It even returns like a boomerang. Made with a durable, impact-resistant design and intelligent protection, it automatically stops on impact. It's safe for kids and adults. Perfect for kids and adults, this toy provides endless entertainment at home, school, parties, or the office. This unique toy makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit. What we like. If your child loves flying toys and cool gadgets, this flying orb ball is a fantastic choice. It's easy to control, performs amazing tricks, and is designed with safety in mind. It's perfect for kids who love to play outdoors and want a unique and exciting toy. If your child loves unique and exciting toys, you should consider this. What people say. The way it hovers and glides through the air is really cool, and it's different from traditional balls. I enjoy how interactive it is. I can control it with my hand movements, which adds an exciting twist to playtime. What sets the flying orb ball apart is its ability to perform endless tricks. From spinning and flipping to hovering in mid-air, this toy never fails to impress. It's like having a personal flying circus right in our living room. The flying orb ball is an exciting gadget that delivers endless fun for both kids and adults. The ball is lightweight, compact, and fits comfortably in one hand. Its durable plastic casing can withstand minor drops, making it safe for indoor and outdoor use. The LED lights are vibrant, adding an effect of magic during nighttime play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.